Welcome again to another training section with Diadis Louis. Today we'll be looking at how to apply and assess between 2.5 million to 3 million naira women grant from She Works Here. She Works Here is an organization that is giving out grants to young people and women generally. I requested people to position themselves for grants opportunity this year. And if you look at this channel, you will see at least four major grants opportunity that we have reviewed in the space of 1 month now. And this one is another one that we want you to apply for. And we are presenting this from the Diaditloe Business Hub. You know the platform diaditloe.com. So let's look deeply into She Works Here, call for application. She Works Here is Nigeria's all-women accelerator program supported by the United States African Development Foundation, USADF. It's pleased to announce a call for applications for its She Works Here Women-Owned Businesses, SWOB, COVID-19 Recovery Small Grants Facility. The facility is targeting quasi, micro, and small women's businesses that have challenges accessing financing to recover from the impact of the pandemic. So to apply, you visit this link. So this link will be at the description section of this YouTube channel, and you'll be able to apply from there. For any inquiries, you contact grants@sheworkshere.com. Now, the deadline for this application is 28th of February 2021. So it's just in few days time. This application, the deadline for the application will come. So what are we to do next? Before I show you what to do next, I want you to right now subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have been following us on this platform over time and you are not subscribed to this channel, you will not be able to get updates on the information that we put together on this channel. So I want you to subscribe to this channel right now. This year we introduced the book, The Winning Streak, on how to win grants opportunity. If you don't have a copy, just send me a WhatsApp chat now or just call me 080-6077-9290. The book is 3,000 naira and we're going to send it to you, delivered to you anywhere in Nigeria and outside Nigeria. The books talk about 40 proven secrets on how the author raised money for his business and how you can do the same. Most of the things that I will be sharing with you today are from this book in terms of how to win this grant. Another book that we recommend for people early this year is The 30 Laws of Money by my mentor, Dr. Habib Olamitoye, and How to Create a Business That Thrives in Your Absence by Dr. Habib Olamitoye. The book costs 3,000 naira each. So if you are ordering for the three books, including this, the total is 9,000. Then depending on your location, we add the delivery money to it, then we bring it to your doorstep. So let's go straight to the call for application. She Works Here Women-Owned Businesses, SWOB, COVID-19 Recovery Small Grants Facility. Uh, Throughout this year, opportunities like this will keep on coming up. This particular one is for female alone, it's for women. But throughout this year, new opportunities will keep on coming. The question is, are you prepared for it? How do we know you are prepared for it? By the time we are done with this application, you will know if you are prepared for it or not. I have uh, I took time to take us through the processes of assessing grants opportunity like this, and I hope that a lot of us will benefit from it this year. The first question they ask from you is your company name. So you put it here. The next one is the name of the person submitting this application, and you put that here. Then you tick which one is appropriate to you, MS, MRS, or Shift. You pick the one that is appropriate to you. So that is simple biodata information. The next one is to the address of the enterprise of the business. So you put your address there, then your email, your phone number, then website if any. Now let me say this to you. You want global opportunities, you want grants, you want to go for all expenses paid trip in terms of fellowship, and you don't have a website for your business. I'm telling you that might just be this disqualifying factor for some of these grant application. So in this application, it's not compulsory. So it's if available. In some of the application, it's compulsory. So my organization will help you with a simple website for your business that you can be using to apply for some of these grant opportunity. If you are interested in website development, you reach out to us and we'll be able to help you. You just need some 5 page to 7 page document page for your website, and it will be very okay and ready. You need this. All your social media handles, you need them. You need to begin to upload information on those social media handles. All these things are the ways to position for uh, opportunities, especially grants opportunities. So is your business a woman owned or woman or girl focused business? They want to be sure. So the answer there should be yes. If you click no, they will not pick you. If you answer yes, if above answer is yes, which of these best describe your business? So agriculture, manufacturing, healthcare, others, you pick others. Please describe briefly the nature of your business. So here is where you need to really talk about your business. As much as you can say about your business, you put it here. And if you are thinking of business plan, this is where to summarize your business plan and summarize everything about your business, what you do. You can give a short history of your business and what you are doing currently, and just put some nature of business. They want to know what you are selling. They want to know the services that you are rendering. They want to know your product. They want to know the description of your product and all that. So the next one is um, legal registration. Is your business registered? Now, this is a compulsory question, and I'm going to tell you today, if you are not registered with CAC, don't bother to apply for this grant, because most likely it's a determining factor if they work with you or not. They want you to register your business with CAC. So if you are here, you are listening to me, you have not registered your business with CAC, contact us today. Let's do that for you. If you are waiting for the government uh, CSC registration that they are doing for you for free and it's not yet ready, please don't rely on that. Get somebody to do it for you in within a short space of 3 weeks to 4 weeks. If you contact us, we deliver it to you between 3 to 4 weeks. Please don't lose grants opportunity like this because your business is not registered with CAC. It's compulsory. You see the asterisk, the red asterisk, It is mandatory. If you click on no, most likely you might not get this grant. So if yes, they want to know the date of your registration, then please upload your proof of registration. You see what I'm saying? You are going to scan your proof of registration and you click here to add file. This CACFC registration is compulsory if you want to be winning grants this year. And once you have the CAC registration, please go straight to where you can get your TIN identification, tax identification number, which is called TIN. Once you have that, you go straight to the bank. They will open a corporate account for you. Most grants opportunity will not pay into your personal account. They go into your corporate account. And these are basics that I keep encouraging people in my seminars, that these are the milestones you must achieve. And if you've not achieved it, and you are between the ages of 18 and 35, you must achieve it this year. Now, status. Financial status. Please state your annual turnover from 2020, 2019, 2018. Now, with this question, you will know that these people are really looking for businesses, existing businesses that has been existing no more than 3 years of age. Now, your annual turnover is all the money you make last year, year before the last, and you'll be able to put it together. All your sales, all your revenue, the total of it is what is called annual turnover. So you put it here, and you put here, you put here. So if your business is just 1 year, that means you started the business in 2020, then you put it here. If you have been existing for more than 3 years, you'll be able to fill all this. If you have been existing for 2 years, you fill all this. If it's just 1 year, you fill this. If you're a new business, like I said, for these grants to be able to win as a new business, it's not designed for new business. You see the reason why I said so. Now, Bessie, go ahead and apply. Anything can happen. Does your business have a formal accounting system? This is another thing again. You are running a business, you don't have a corporate account. At the same time, you don't have anything that is helping you to keep your records, your accounting system. Then you are not ready for grants. So formal accounting system means you can use QuickBooks, you can use Sage, and all of these softwares. But most importantly is that let all your transaction runs through your bank. Impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on your business operation. They say in one paragraph, please state how the COVID-19 pandemic affected your business operations. So this is where they really want you to talk and use your storytelling skills to tell us exactly what happened in your business. If you don't do that, then you most likely will not win this grant. This grant is about storytelling and telling us exactly the state of your business currently. The next one is project description. In one paragraph, describe how the grants provided will be utilized. Now, please follow their instructions. This one is in one paragraph. Don't go and write 10 paragraphs. There are some people like that, because you can write a lot, and instead of one paragraph, you are writing 10 paragraphs. You will be disqualified. In one paragraph, just go straight to the point. If they give you 2.5 million, 3 million, how is it going to affect your business? How will you utilize it? The next one is, please describe the unexpected expenses you have incurred due to COVID-19. So you'll see that they are very, very concerned about effect of COVID-19 on your business. And this COVID-19 is a global pandemic. So you must be able to describe in a storytelling way exactly what happened in your business, and it must be reasonable, it must be logical. Don't frame it, don't lie. Just that if your business has shut down because of COVID-19, just say it straight away. If it has helped you to lay off staffs, just do that. If it has reduced your revenue, just explain that and they will understand. Describe your target beneficiary and your previous or proposed engagement with them. So they want your beneficiary could be your customer, could be the users of your products, could be the people paying for your product, as the case may be. So your target beneficiary, you need to list them and tell them how you have been engaging with them. So if you are enjoying what we are teaching on this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe right now. We need you to subscribe. If it's not that important, we are not going to be re-emphasizing it. Don't just listen to this training, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Once you subscribe, you'll be able to get instant notification. Most of you will be getting this video via email. But if you are already part of this community by subscribing to this channel, you will receive an instant notification once we publish any video training of ours. So I will also mention this again. This book is the best book in the whole of Africa that you can read, and it will help you to win any grant you are applying for or any global opportunity that you are applying for. And the book is 3,000. Reach out to me 08060779290. Chat me up on WhatsApp or give me a call to get this book delivered to you. And we have this second book that will help you with money management skills, how you can make money, how you can save money, how you can invest money, how you can multiply money. Say the reward for obeying the law is prosperity, the penalty for disobeying the law is poverty. That's the 30 laws of money. And as a business owner, you must be thinking right now, how can you create a business that thrives in your absence? My mentor will say your business must first thrive in your presence before it can thrive in your absence. So you need that knowledge, and that's what we have in this book. The total of the three books is 9,000 naira. Depending on your location, you add your transportation fee, then we deliver it to your doorstep. So let's continue with this application process. We have the team and capacity. Please provide the profile and experience of your core team that will implement the proposed project. So you will see now that they are already talking about projects. And when they'll give you 2.5 million to 3 million naira, they want to know the project you are going to use that money to achieve. So it has to be a project. So when we say project, what does it mean? It means that how will that in your business, what are you going to use that money to do in your business that will make your business to make progress? Are you going to be using it to open a new line of products if you're in product-based business? Are you going to be using it for production? Are you going to be using it if you are in service business? Are you going to be using it to get to rent a facility and buy equipment? Are you going to be using it to buy equipment? What exactly are you going to use 2.5 million to 3 million naira to do? So just assume that you are just starting your business. What will this money do in your business? Then you need to put the capacity of your team. You want to show their capacity, their profile. You want to show their CV. You want to show that they have that competence. You have to show that they have that capacity to help you to manage this project and business into profitability, into sustainability, They are going to help you to make it to scale. So those are the things they want to see. The next one is they want to hear about your impact. I'm telling you, this particular grant, even though it's related to small business owner, they are much more important, interested in the impact of this business. So how will this grant impact the communities or beneficiary you serve? You must be able to state clearly the impact of your business, and it must be logical, it must be reasonable, it must be something that people want to support. Then how will you track and document this impact? They just don't want you to say things that you cannot track. They don't want you to say things that you cannot document. So what can your impact be? What can your impact be? So just look at it right now. If you are into poultry farming, what's your impact? What are the people buying from you? Are the beneficiaries? What will be the impact? If you are into education, what will be your impact? So I'm not going to be telling you impact on this platform. I want you to sit down and go and think about it. If you read the Many Blessings book, then you'll be able to know what impact is and how to create one for your business, and how to also read what the impact of your business, how is it impacting the society. Remember that this application will close by 28th of February 2021. Please put that, so you need to be fast in this application. Now, what are the risks to implementing this project, and how will you mitigate it? So what are the risks? There are risks in implementing projects, so you need to state those risks for your own business. Explain how your company will maintain profitability at the end of this project. So in as much as they don't want you to just be creating impact without making money, they want your business to be sustainable. They want it to be sustainable. So you need to explain how your company will maintain profitability at the end of this project. So that means you must be able to show them what you are selling, how your services, how your businesses, how your NGO and things like that can generate income for sustainability and for profitability. How will your company become better prepared for future unforeseen challenges? Now, global pandemic is unforeseen challenges that are happen. So your business must have a risk response strategy, that when things like COVID-19 happens, how will you respond to it? So how will your company become better prepared for future unforeseen challenges? The next one is final argument. Tell us why this grant will be a game changer for your business. I'm telling you, if you can't convince them enough that this business is a good, is ready for this grant, you might not get it. So here is where you need to really argue that your business really need this money to apart from survive, it needs this money to create the kind of change and impact is going to create in the society. So you must be able to convince them about that. One thing I would say that we can do from our own side, even though because of the timing, we only work with limited set of people. If you write these things on your own and you write it very well, I mean you are very good in your writing, we can help you review what you have put together for a token. When you call us, we'll be able to tell you that how much we charge for it. We are not writing for you, we are helping you to review what you have written. So it's two different things. Write it on your own and send it for review. We charge for review. When you call us, we will tell you how much we charge for to review your grant application. Now we are at another level that is called budget template. Now budget template is to show how the money will be allocated, the 2.5 million naira to 3 million naira, how it's going to be allocated. The small grant provided will be between 2,500,000 to 3 million naira. Prepare a budget on how you will use this fund. So the budget template, this is the link to the budget template. Again, at the description section of this video, you will see the link to download the budget template there. So here you must be able to if the budget template is not reasonable, then you most likely will not get this grant. So let me show us what and how the budget template looks like. So this is grant fund utilization budget. This is where you need to really do some good mathematics. So they want to know how much you are allocating to fixed assets and how much you are allocating to working capital. So generally by a rule that is unwritten but we work with, your fixed asset must not be more than 40% of the money, while your working capital should be up to 60% of the money. So if it's a millionaire, for example, 400,000 goes into fixed asset, then 600,000 goes into working capital. I hope that is clear. That is unwritten rule that we encourage people to work with. Now, if it's fixed asset, if it's machine, office equipment, office rent, anything that you are going to put here also you'll be able to edit. You put the amount here. You know, we are looking at 2.5 million to 3 million. So the working capital, raw material purchase, salary and wages in the next 6 months, power and electricity, key business registration and permits, any other one, you put them together. You are the one that knows your business. That's the reason why you said it's only review we want to do for you. We are not going to help you to write. Go and write it yourself, then we'll help you to do also a review and we are going to charge for that. Then the total should be between 2.5 million to 3 million naira. Then you will be able to now attach that document to your application. Then here they say please attach evidence on how you will manage the finances in your company. Attach evidence. So this evidence now, what I'm looking at is if you have a corporate bank account, you can upload your 1 year financial statement. You can upload it. In fact, what they need is financial statement of how you will manage the finances of the company. So upload your financial statement here. And when we say financial statement now, we still need to break it down because some people will begin to call us again and say, what should they do here? So they said, please attach evidence on how you will manage finances in your company. So what they need is an evidence. So the first evidence you can do is to download your bank statement for 1 year and upload it. The second option is that the financial statement of your company in the last 1 year that shows your balance sheet, income statement, and your cash flow, you can also upload it here. You know what they need is evidence. Then here attach to professional and business references. So they don't just want to give you money and you run away and you go and use it to buy another car, or you use it to travel to Dubai, or you use it to marry, and in this case now women, they don't want you to use the money to go and buy another bag. All right, so two professional business references. So they need people that you can use as references here. Then you upload that document. You see that to access grant, no be moi, it is a detailed work. By the time you submit, other procedure, they will say tell you other procedure. So we don't know if After submitting this, if there is any other thing after this, we don't know for now. But one thing I'm sure is that if you are faking this application, you are not well registered with CSC, you don't have a business, and you are disguising, they will fish you out in no time. They will fish you out. So your business must be existing. Your business must be uh must be working. Some people will register their business, but they are not doing anything. You must be doing something. So as we begin to round up, he said, please, how did you hear about this grant opportunity? So you just pick one. If you are hearing it from me, you can just pick for others. Or if you are not hearing, if you have heard about it before, then you can pick any of these group. And if you pick women focus group, they want you to, you say, please, what is the name of the focus group? So they want you to put the name of the women focus group here. Then you submit, and that's all. So listen to me. Don't just spend all your data watching my video. Every time I send you video, you watch. I want you to take action. Action is the blood of vision. If you don't apply today, there is no way the 3 million can enter into your bank account. There is no way. Then you submit here. So as I begin to round up, please and please, if you are still hearing me and you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do it right now. Then we have other videos on this channel, like the Ministry of Youth and Sport, Federal Ministry of Youth and Sport, $5,000. The video to apply for that is on this channel. Another one is the Tony Elumelu grant, $5,000 also. The video for that application is on this channel. Tony Elumelu application will be, their own deadline is by March. Why the one for Federal Ministry of Youth and Sport will be ending this week? Why the one for this particular one will be ending on the 28th? So please and please subscribe to this YouTube channel and share this information with people. Send this video to people that they are already struggling with their businesses. They are women, but they have all this documentation. Please and please send it to them. I will want to take your order for this book, especially this particular book. If you want to be winning grants this year, no matter your age range, order for this book. This particular application now does not have age limit. What they want is that you are a woman, where you are a woman, and you have all this documentation and your business is existing. This is what they need from you. So if you have not ordered for the winning streak, don't delay any further, because very soon, before the end of this month, we are going to run out of stock. And I'm putting energy in promoting this book because the book was written by my mentor, and I can tell you that what is inside there has helped me to win a lot of mentorship opportunities, especially in 2020, and I've started using it in 2021 also. So please and please order for your book. The book is 3,000. You can call me right now, or you send me a WhatsApp message, 08060779290. These two books are the two business books that I'm recommending for the year. If you don't have these two books, then what kind of books are you going to read? The person that put this together is my billionaire mentor. Dr. Abibola Mintoye has put this book together to help you so that you don't struggle either in making money, or in multiplying money, or in running your business, especially the one that will thrive in your absence. This book also, they are 3,000 naira each. The total of the three book is 9,000, and depending on your delivery, just chat me up. I will send you the account number you pay to. Then within a short period of time, the book will be with you. don't let us run out of stock before you place your order. So place it right now. Just shout me up right now. So subscribe to our YouTube channel. So you can reach out to me. This YouTube channel is where it's one of our expression, and we have our website dialytically.com, and you can send us email dialytically@gmail.com. Then you can send me a WhatsApp chat 08060779290. So on this note, I'm going to end this presentation here. Please and please, if you have any question, at the comment section of this particular video, drop your questions there. I will personally respond to you and reply to your question. So please and please drop it there. And if you want us to come and train in your organization, or you want us to come and talk to your youths, maybe in your church platform or club or mosque or any platform that you have young people and you want us to come and engage them and train them, please reach out to us. We'll be glad to do that for you. So on this note, we are saying go and win grants this year. Thank you very much.